In this video, I will be showing you how to connect and use Canva with Gemini AI and create amazing editable designs. So let's get started. So this particular thing works for all the plans of Gemini. So for this, just sign in into your Gemini app. To the left, we'll be having this settings icon. Click it, and here we are having personal intelligence. Select that, and we'll be having here connected apps. Click it. We'll be having all the apps from Google. If you just scroll down to the end, we'll be having here Canva. Just enable this, and we need to just select allow, read this. Now you need to sign in into your Canva account and link to Gemini. Click on continue, and we'll be getting these stuff. Just read it and select agree and continue. Sign into your Canva account, and after that you will be getting this. Click on allow. That's it. Authorization has been successfully done. Now just go to new chat. I'll be showing you two ways how you can use images with Canva. First thing is, we'll be generating an image in Google Gemini itself and then converting it to a design. And next one, I'm already having an generated image which I'll be converting it to a Canva design. So I'll show you both. First thing, we can generate an image. So I'll just go here, and this is going to be my prompt. I'm just asking it to create a poster for a car. So I will just run it. This is the poster that has been generated by Gemini. Now let's convert this into a Canva design. For that, just go here and type art. We'll be having here the Canva. Select it and just type convert this to a editable design. You can add something extra if you want to. I will just run this. This will take some time to convert. Just be patient. After a few seconds, we'll be getting I have successfully converted this into a poster. So we can simply click on this. It will redirect us to Canva interface, and as you can see, each and every component here is editable. I can edit the text over here. Here also the text, these stickers over here, even the car. We are having a background image, even the car is editable, and literally every single piece is editable over here. That's absolutely stunning. This is the first way. And let's suppose say, what if you already have an image? That can also be done. For that, go to new chat and just upload the image over here. I will just upload my image. Open. And this is the image which I want to convert into a poster. So after this, just put at Canva, and the same thing, convert this to a editable design and run. It has done it. I will just click and open it. We are in Canva again now, and just look at how amazingly it has separated each and every component, and everything over here is editable, and it retains the same text as well as the color gradients of the image. Everything over here, even the small components, small SVG stuff, everything here is editable. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.